Good afternoon, guys. Train's coming August 15th, 2025. This train is headed eastbound. You can see the light is green and red. It's good to go. Here comes the train. Thank you, sir. Great horn show. Gotta love it when they do that. He's still honking down there. I love it. I love the sound of a horn on a train. Should have another engine coming here anytime, guys. That's a nice train. Pretty long. Definitely over 2 miles. Long ways away yet, guys. I thought it was coming. This is a long train, guys. Beautiful. CP, a lot of containers. There it is, Kansas City. 45, 30. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Hit that subscribe button for future videos. Lots of shorts in the short section and the videos are in the video section, guys. Have a great day.